Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start immediately by confirming prerequisites. Make sure system protection is enabled and at least one restore point exists. Once done, save all open work and close applications so the restore won't fail from locked files. Next, run system restore with elevated rights, press start, type rstrui, and press enter. This launches the wizard. You're preparing the environment and starting the process. These steps prevent mid-restore interruptions and ensure the system can safely roll back to a previous state. Once the wizard opens, select a restore point that predates the issue and read its description so you understand what will change. Make sure to click Scan for affected programs to see which apps or drivers will be removed or restored. This clarity avoids surprises. If the right point isn't visible, expand Show More Restore Points to access older snapshots. Finally, verify the target drive and settings. Confirm and start the restore so Windows can schedule the rollback and reboot into the recovery process. Let the restore run and reboot without interruption. Forcing power off can corrupt the restore. After Windows finishes, sign in and verify the issue is resolved. If the restore fails or symptoms persist, reboot into safe mode and retry system restore, or use last known good configuration when available. Make sure to run SFC and DISM to repair system files after a successful restore, because restored files may need integrity fixes. This final step helps stabilize the system and prevents recurrence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.